Hey guys, Liz from the Nail Hub here, and today I'm going to show you how I did the nails for the July 2018 cover of Nails magazine. I love working with gel, it's my favorite medium. So I started this set with some nice stiletto gel extensions. I filed everything into the perfect stiletto shape and kept them very thin, taking into consideration all the art that I was going to put on top. The majority of this design played around with primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, and also white. Using primary colors, they blend together and give you a true realistic snow cone look. Of course, no snow cone nail would be complete without a bunch of Swarovski Crystal Pixie. So on the white nails, I did a wet layer of gel, some Crystal Pixie, and tucked everything in. I then added a bunch of crystals to the other nails, flash cured, and applied more Crystal Pixie Edge as well as the Crystal Pixie Petite. The Crystal Pixie really helps diffuse the primary colors and make it look like a real snow cone. On the white nails, I used a mixture of gel colors and alcohol to create kind of like an alcohol ink, and painted this on the Crystal Pixie on the white nails, almost like it's syrup on a real snow cone. The primary colors mixed together to make secondary colors, which I think looks very realistic, just the way syrup does on a snow cone. I just kept blending and adding more color until I was happy with the final result. And with some big crystals and a bunch of Crystal Pixie, there you have some amazing snow cone nails just in time for summer. The straw I also made for the cover, and I made it all out of gel. I cured it inside of a mold and then peeled it out. I then filed and buffed and perfected the shape of the straw. I then painted the whole tube white with gel polish, and after curing, I cleansed it to remove the tacky layer. I then painted blue stripes, just like a paper straw, with my favorite gel paint, and I just think this looks so real. It was so fun to create a real straw out of gel. For the cone, I started with a big dome of gel and then covered it in different colors of gel polish and of course a bunch of Swarovski Crystal Pixie. This cover was so fun for me to create, and I really want to say thank you to the Nails magazine team for having me create such a nostalgic summer cover. I hope you loved this cover just as much as I did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome nail videos.